Ever wondered about the capabilities of the Indian Air Force's ALFA-S drones? These marvels of technology are not just drones. They're fixed-wing, medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicles, or MALE UAVs, setting new standards in aerial surveillance and reconnaissance. The ALFA-S drones are the brainchild of the Aeronautical Development Establishment, a critical part of the Defense Research and Development Organization. This is a significant stride for India in the realm of aeronautical technology, contributing to the nation's defense and security in ways beyond imagination. The ALFA-S drones are a testament to the prowess of Indian engineering, a symbol of the country's progress in unmanned aviation. They're more than just flying machines. They're a critical tool in the arsenal of the Indian Air Force, a game-changer in the landscape of modern warfare. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of these high-tech flying machines. The ALFA-S drone is a powerhouse, packed into a compact frame, boasting a wingspan of about 24 meters and a length of roughly 10 meters. This drone is no small feat of engineering, but don't let its size fool you. Despite these impressive dimensions, the ALFA-S drone manages to tip the scales at a maximum takeoff weight of around 1,500 kilograms. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean in terms of performance and capabilities? Well, this delicate balance between size and weight allows for enhanced maneuverability, greater payload capacity, and increased operational endurance. Remember, in the world of drones, it's not just about being big or heavy. It's about finding the perfect balance. And that's exactly what the engineers behind the ALFA-S drone have achieved. A drone that's compact, yet powerful, light, yet sturdy, and above all, perfectly balanced. With such a build, the ALFA-S drone is truly a marvel of modern engineering. What powers this high-tech bird, you ask? Well, it's all about the propulsion system and the payload capacity. The ALFA-S drone is propelled by a state-of-the-art Rotax 914 F2/S1 turbocharged engine. This isn't any ordinary engine, folks. It's a powerhouse capable of delivering a maximum power output of 115 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 115 horsepower packed into this sleek, unmanned aerial vehicle. This powerful engine enables the ALFA-S drone to soar through the skies with ease, whether it's for surveillance missions or other tasks. But let's not forget about the payload capacity. The ALFA-S drone boasts a payload capacity of around 350 kilograms. Now that's a lot of weight for a drone to carry, isn't it? But what does this mean? It means that the ALFA-S drone can be equipped with various sensors, cameras, and communication equipment, from high-resolution cameras for capturing detailed imagery to advanced sensors for detecting and tracking targets. The ALFA-S drone can carry it all. And it doesn't stop there. The ALFA-S drone's payload capacity also allows it to carry communication equipment. This means it can transmit real-time data back to the ground control station, providing the operators with up-to-the-minute information. So whether it's providing surveillance over a large area or carrying out a specific mission, this drone has the capacity to carry all the necessary equipment for the job. This combination of a powerful engine and high payload capacity makes the ALFA-S drone a versatile and capable machine. It can fly high, it can fly far, and it can carry all the necessary equipment to carry out its mission. Whether it's for surveillance, reconnaissance, or other tasks, the ALFA-S drone has the power and the capacity to get the job done. With such a powerful engine and high payload capacity, the ALFA-S drone is a force to be reckoned with. But how far can this bird fly, you might be wondering? Well, the ALFA-S drone is designed for the long haul. Its endurance is truly impressive, able to stay aloft for over 24 hours. Imagine that, an entire day of continuous flight. This is made possible by its advanced power systems and efficient design. But it's not just the endurance that sets the ALFA-S apart. The drone also boasts a range of more than 1,000 kilometers. That's further than the distance from Mumbai to Delhi. This significant range makes the ALFA-S perfect for long-duration surveillance and reconnaissance missions. It can venture deep into potentially hostile territory, gathering crucial intelligence without risking the lives of pilots. These capabilities are not just impressive, they are essential. In the complex and rapidly evolving world of modern warfare, endurance and range are critical. With such endurance and range, the ALFA-S drone is always ready for the long haul. Now, let's talk about the eyes and ears of the ALFA-S drone. The ALFA-S drone is equipped with an advanced suite of sensors and communication equipment which serve as its eyes and ears in the sky. These sophisticated tools enable the drone to gather crucial intelligence, providing superior surveillance and communication capabilities. Starting with the sensors, the ALFA-S drone boasts electro-optical and infrared cameras. These state-of-the-art cameras allow the drone to capture high-resolution images and videos, providing detailed visual intelligence during both day and night operations. This is especially useful for reconnaissance missions, where clear and detailed imagery is vital. In addition to the cameras, the ALFA-S drone is equipped with synthetic aperture radar, commonly known as SR. This cutting-edge radar technology allows the drone to generate detailed 2- and 3-dimensional reconstructions of the landscape, even in poor visibility conditions such as fog or rain. SR also enables the drone to detect and track moving objects, making it a powerful tool for surveillance and search and rescue missions. Now, moving on to the communication equipment. The ALFA-S drone features both satellite communication, or SATCOM, and line-of-sight data links. SATCOM allows the drone to maintain communication with the ground control station, even when it's operating at its maximum range of over 1,000 kilometers. On the other hand, the line-of-sight data links provide real-time transmission of video feeds and sensor data, enabling operators to make informed decisions quickly. Furthermore, the drone's communication suite is designed with advanced security features, including encryption and secure communication protocols. These measures help to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches, ensuring that the intelligence gathered by the drone remains secure. To sum it up, the sensor and communication suite of the ALFA-S drone is a combination of advanced technology and security, providing superior surveillance capabilities and secure communication. The drone's state-of-the-art sensors provide detailed visual and radar intelligence, while its communication equipment ensures secure and real-time data transmission. With such advanced sensors and communication equipment, the ALFA-S drone sees and hears all. But who's in control of this high-tech bird, you ask? Well, the ALFA-S drone comes equipped with an autonomous navigation system, a feature that allows it to fly pre-programmed routes and perform tasks without any human intervention. This means that once the mission parameters are set, the drone can take care of the rest, making it a highly efficient tool for surveillance and reconnaissance. But the autonomy doesn't stop there. The ALFA-S also incorporates a GPS-aided inertial navigation system, also known as INS. This system combines the use of GPS signals and onboard instruments to calculate the drone's velocity, orientation, and gravitational forces. The result? Exceptionally precise navigation. Whether it's maintaining a steady course over long distances or executing complex maneuvers, the combination of these two systems ensures that the ALFA-S drone can handle it all. With such advanced navigation systems, the ALFA-S drone is a true autonomous marvel. We've explored the ALFA-S drone, a marvel of modern engineering. In our journey, we've delved into the intricate design and architecture of this advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, a creation of the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization. The ALFA-S stands as a testament to India's technological prowess. We've discussed its impressive dimensions and weight, a wingspan of 24 meters, and a hefty maximum takeoff weight of 1,500 kilograms. Its propulsion system, powered by a Rotax 914 F2/S1 turbocharged engine, churns out a maximum power output of 115 horsepower. We've also delved into the drone's payload capacity, which stands at 350 kilograms. This allows it to carry a variety of sensors, cameras, and communication equipment, enabling it to fulfill its role in surveillance and reconnaissance missions effectively. Speaking of missions, the ALFA-S's endurance of over 24 hours and a range of more than 1,000 kilometers make it a formidable tool for long-duration tasks. It can cruise at speeds of around 180 to 200 kilometers per hour and can operate at altitudes up to 30,000 feet. We've highlighted its advanced sensor and communication suite, including electro-optical/infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and satellite communication and line-of-sight data links. These features allow it to gather and transmit crucial data in real time. The drone's autonomous navigation system and GPS-aided inertial navigation system grant it the ability to fly pre-programmed routes and perform tasks without human intervention. This level of autonomy is a significant step forward in drone technology. But it's not just about the sky. The ALFA-S's ground control station provides real-time video feed, telemetry data, and command and control capabilities to the operators. The drone uses advanced data link systems to transmit real-time video and sensor data to the GCS, ensuring a constant flow of information. The drone's advanced security features, including encryption and secure communication protocols, ensure the prevention of unauthorized access and data breaches. Its modular design allows for easy integration of new sensors, payloads, and communication equipment, making it a highly customizable platform. The ALFA-S drone, a testament to the Indian Air Force's commitment to harnessing cutting-edge technology for national security. Stay tuned for more such insights into the world of drones.